Her Excellency Wavinya Ndeti cannot be, she has the backbone. Actually, nyimuka anguli nye, tamondo. Presidential ya 2027. Tika nenga Wavinya. Tika nenga Wavinya. Kinugege ilete ne kwa chanye.
Ni Kalonzo.
That's very good.
Wiper.
Thank you. I am just recognizing your steadfastness, your governor. Thank you so much. Which is a very important point. Governor, I'm reporting to you. In the course of this year, a group of agripreneurs were picked by New KPCU, and they were taken to Coffee Research Institute. And wakatrainiwa mambo ya kahawa. They were like put under thorough training on coffee production from seedlings all the way mpaka mwisho. Now vijana wameform association yenye wanafanya the various programs za improve productivity. Kuna hiyo factory imeawadiwa as the most, pardon? Musilili, the most, Musilili want to recognize you. Yeah. So this is, that's good. Thank you, Governor. That's good. Exactly.
Yes.
So the point that I'm driving is hao vijana wako hapa na wamenituma wameniambia nikwambie they are willing to offer these services starting with Kasinga. And Governor, they are ready to come see you and they explain to you what they are doing. They are very well trained, and if you can offer them opportunity, I'm sure they can do something to Kasinga. Kindly support them. Thank you, Your Excellency.
Thank you. Asante. Mukunei moko. Na muiselela.
DJ nipatie hiyo ngoma ya useo waku wakishuka. Kuna mmoja. Huyo. Haya DJ. We baada wakuleke la mama.
The lady.
Excellency. Sorry.
Ego tele manena atakwa, yeah? Ekinye ungama
some time. You promised us White House and here we are. We are very happy. You promised us White House and here we are. We are very happy. Tunakushukuru sana kwa kutuandalia bonge la sherehe. Gavana ni noma si noma. Gavana ni noma si noma. Wait. Yeah, tunakushukuru sana. Thank you so much. We are happy. We are very much honored to be here. 2 times in it. Thank you.